You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from German originally, but that's used also now in English, meaning the ethnic soul of a people or the national spirit. It means unique spirit in German. So let's look at the German pronunciation and how you can say it in English, or how it's usually said in English. Volksgeist. That's your German pronunciation. Volksgeist. Volksgeist. Now the V in German is pronounced a little bit more like an F almost, which is not the case when it's pronounced in English. So you're not going to say Volksgeist in English. Rather, it's pronounced the English pronunciation. Volksgeist. I know it's a bit of a mouthful to say the K, S, G. Volksgeist. Volksgeist is your English pronunciation here. It's Geist, it's not Geist or Geist. Volksgeist. Volksgeist from German pronunciation. Volksgeist. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.